Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. In this video, we are going to talk about the problem A of educational code forces round 114, which is regular bracket sequence. So, in this problem, what we have to do is uh, we are provided with I integer n, and we have to output exactly and different regular bracket sequence. So I hope you know that what are regular bracket sequence means. It cannot be invalid, means there should be an equal number of opening and closing brackets and in a particular order, means in a correct order. Okay, fine. So what we have to do is that we have to print exactly and different regular bracket sequences of length 2n. So what can be you can say a best approach for this? So what I have done is, okay, first of all, let's understand my logic. So let's move to the whiteboard. So what I have done is, for example, the value of n is 4. Okay, it is 4. So what I have done is that we can make a, you can say, a set of 4 brackets. Set of 4 brackets is 4 opening brackets and followed by 4 closing brackets. Then we can make a set of 3 brackets, okay, and then a set of 1 bracket. Then we can make a set of 2 bracket, a set of 2 brackets, and again a set of 2 brackets. And in the last, we can make a set of 1 bracket and then a set of 3 bracket. This is a particular possible solution of this question. For example, the value of n is 5. For example, the value of n is 5. Then what we can do is we can make first set of 5 brackets. Means there are 5 opening and 5 closing brackets, like this. Okay. Then we can make set of 4 brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then set of 1 bracket, because 4 plus 1 is 5. Now set of 3 brackets, sorry, set of 3 brackets and set of 2 brackets, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Then set of 2 brackets and set of 3 brackets. Then set of 1 bracket and set of 4 bracket, like this. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different patterns. So what I'm doing is, in this case I have made a set of 4 brackets. Okay, here in this case I have made a set of 3 and set of 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. In this case 2 and 2. In this case 1 and 3. Here in this case it is 5, then 4 and 1, then 3 and 2, then 2 and 3, and then 1 and 4. Okay, so this is I think this is the simplest solution of this problem. So let's move towards the code part at what I am doing there. So in the code part, you can see that I have just making a program in which if we input some number of some value n, then it will output a set of n brackets, means n opening brackets followed by n closing brackets. Fine. Then I have inputted n here in my particular function, and with n I have make a loop from 1 to n, from 1 up to n. Then what I am doing is, first of all, here it is 1 and n minus 1 brackets, then it is 2 and n minus 2 brackets, then it is 3 and minus 3 brackets. That is what we are doing in here also. For example, here it is 4. First of all, the value of I is 1. Sorry. Okay, the value of I is 1 and n minus I is 3. The value of I is 2 and n minus I is 2. Value of I is 3 and minus I is 1. Value of I is 4 and n minus I is 0, means smaller brackets. So this is the required pattern according to our code. This is my clear and simple code. You can check it out. If you have any doubt, then you can join our Telegram. You can ask there, or you can comment it down also. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for code forces, code safe, hacker rank, lead code, etc. solutions. Thank you.